Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So, okay, we'll try to play a game, and we'll be using the Apollo Supreme Max. We're gonna be putting it at 70%, 75%. So how do you find it so far? That's the sound effects.
Team deathmatch. Enemy troops in the AO. Weapons hot. We're losing control. Control. Hostiles in the area. Check fire!
So you can see that the Apollo Supreme Max can take the cinematic sound produced by the game. We're playing the Modern Warfare game for PS4. So basically that's it. So if you've heard it, uh, it's a good buy if you want to pair it with the Sony game, and then you just basically plug it. So we're not using Bluetooth here. We are using the aux cable connected to the earphone jack of the TV. Okay, I'm just using an old TV. It's a Panasonic LCD TV. It's not even LED yet. But the audio coming from the Panasonic, the output coming from the Sony to the Panasonic, and then out to the earphone jacks of the TV, and then going here to the speakers is very, very good. Okay, so if you plan to buy an Apollo Supreme model, I highly suggest, yeah, you should purchase the Apollo Supreme Max instead of the others. However, if you cannot afford the price tag of the Apollo Supreme Max, the second choice would be the Apollo Supreme Pro, the updated version, okay, the new version. Okay, not the original version. Although the original version has higher speaker watts in the original version of the Apollo Supreme Pro. Okay. So anyway, we're talking about the Apollo Supreme Max. So this is a buy. If you're a gamer like me, I've been a gamer since Atari days, and the first generation of PC computers as well. So this is a good companion for console gaming and for PC gaming as well. So without further ado, this is Charlie Jose saying thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye!